Hello everyone, this is Ashok Verma, online chess coach from India. Today I am going to show you checkmate in 2 moves. White to play and win in 2 moves. Part 2. Bishop b7 check. King has only one square, that is b8. Now one move checkmate. Knight c6 checkmate. Knight is attacking king. King cannot go c8 or a8 because bishop is attacking there. Checkmate. g7 check. King cannot cut pawn because white king is supporting. King h7. Now one move checkmate. g8 equal to queen. Checkmate. Think how to do mate in 2 moves only. If you play bishop c6, king will go f8 and you cannot do mate in 1 move. So first you have to block king's movement. Bishop e7. Blocking all these squares. See, king is blocking d7 and f7. Black has only one move, pawn c6 or c5, means pawn move only. After that, bishop c6 checkmate. Here think how to do mate in 2 moves only. King c1 good move. Blocking the line. King has only one square, e8. Queen c8 checkmate. Bishop c6 check. This is not made because black has this move. Actually white wanted to open his rook's line. Rook has to go to b8. So bishop cross c6, rook b8 checkmate. Mate in 2. If you cut with the knight with the bishop, that is a mistake because king will go h8. So h cross g6 check. King has only one square, h8. So king h8, g7 checkmate. Pawn g7. See, all square blocked. King cannot escape. Rook cross e8 check. Rook cross e8. Rook cross e8 checkmate. Think again. Try to see all the check. Think how to attack black's king. Queen f8 check. King cannot cut queen, bishop is supporting. King has to go d7 only. If you play pawn a6, that is wrong. King will cut. If you play queen d8, that is wrong. So right move is knight c5 checkmate. Bishop e5 check. King has only one square, a8. King cannot go c8 because see white rook is on c1. Rook c8 checkmate. Bishop d5 check. King has only one square, g7. Now one movement. Queen g8 checkmate. Bishop is supporting queen. Queen h7 check. Pawn is supporting queen. King cannot cut. King has one square, f8. If you cut bishop, that is not mate. King will go e7. So be careful. Queen f7 checkmate. Think how to do mate in two moves. Queen h1 check. King has one square, g8. Queen h7 checkmate. Pawn is supporting queen. King cannot cut. Rook g4 check. King cannot move. But this is not mate because queen can cut the rook. But after this, one move checkmate. That is rook e8 checkmate. King cannot go g7. See, bishop is there. Queen cross g8 check. King cross g8. Rook e8 checkmate. Bishop cross h7 check. See, knight cannot cut. Knight is pinned. So king has only one square, h8. King cannot cut bishop because rook on h1 supporting. Rook cross f8 checkmate. Rook is supporting bishop. King cannot cut. Rook cross f8 check. King d7. Now one movement. If you cut rook with rook, that is mistake because king will take e6. So good move is knight c5 checkmate. Attacking and blocking these two squares. Checkmate. And king cannot go e8. Rook is there. Queen cross f8 check. King h7. Queen cross g7 checkmate. Bishop is supporting. Rook cross e8 check. Rook cross e8. Rook cross e8 checkmate. King cannot go g7. See, bishop is attacking there. Rook f8 check. This is not mate. Black has one move to defend. Think. Bishop g8. Any rook can cut the bishop. Rook f cross g8 or rook g cross g8. Checkmate. Rook h1 check. All squares blocked. But black has this move. Bishop h4. Rook cross h4 checkmate. See, all square blocked. If you want more video like this, please write in comment. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.